Last time on Happy Bird Year.
Just finished watching the big year, meaning I have to get ready for Western Canada Big Year 21. Figured out it's going to be very difficult to try to video as many birds as possible, but I'm going to try to keep you guys in the loop. Because it's hard to video and even capture birds on camera, I'm going to keep a list going. You will probably see my ongoing number at the bottom left corner, and the identified number is going, or the identified species is going to be on the top left. I unfortunately will not be able to get every single bird on video. However, I will try to get them afterwards, but if I am not able to do that, you will see the random number list, which will add to the total at the bottom. Hope you guys enjoy. In addition, I will be trying to do a species fun fact every once in a while. The rules I have for my big year is because I already know my record, which is 175. And my friend, main man Evan, he has his record too. To win between us is we have to beat our own records, and whoever surpasses the number of birds off their highest record wins a nice bottle of rum. So, 2021 has just begun. I'm winning myself a good bottle of rum. You're going down, Evan. So, now that you got the introduction, it's time for the best part of this. Methods and results. Or as I would like to say, the field aspect. So, come on and join me. Let's do it, guys. This first video starts in Kamloops and area.
It's a Towhee. It's a northern flicker, trust me.
Okay, so I gotta share something. In the next video, there's this bird. Epic bird. He's super close to me. It's awesome. However, a lady and her dog walked by and the video is very short.
Hi there.
I guess it's a good thing that dog was cute. He was okay too.
white-breasted nuthatch.
Well, I misjudged that. I thought the lake was going to be somewhat open because it's been pretty warm. Ish. Minus the fact that I'm wearing a toque. Yeah. Anyway. It is tough to catch birds in video. Tried my best. And I will keep on keeping on that front. Yeah. Anyways. That's my number. That's what I saw. And these guys right here are the ones that I missed in this video. I'll get better. It'll be good. Just a little tired right now. All right. Keep on keeping on. Later, guys.